Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. Apologies again, I do sound a bit odd. I am full of cold, so I hope that doesn't put you off. I'm playing in my craft journal and I'm using some of the September release Dina Wakley products. I'm starting off with some text collage paper on the background, just sticking that down using some gel medium. You can see I'm using almost like a spatula tool to stick it down. I swing between using brushes and using that. I get fed up and my brushes getting all completely gunked up. So anyway, I use a variety really. So that was some black paint just through the Bonds stencil, which is also a new September release one, and then some white through the lattice. And you notice I'm just adding it in some areas, not everywhere. I want to try and leave some of the craft background showing through. So then once that was dry, I went with the Mantras stencil and just added a little bit of white text stenciling through onto the page too. This set of stamps is also a new one. It's called Stencil Alphas, and I'm just using a bit of archival black ink and just stamping a bit more interest onto the background, a bit more text. So this collage tissue paper is from Dina Wakley. It's from the Things That Grow set. It's got these fabulous circles on it, which I knew I just had to use on this page. They work really well because I've already started off in a sort of black and white theme, so they fit really nicely. So once they were stuck down, I'm then using this branches stencil, and I'm just using that lovely leaf shape there with some penny, one of the metallic paints from Dina Wakley, just popping some leaves on. It's definitely autumn now in the UK. I'm actually doing this voiceover on the 1st of October, and boy, what a change in the weather. So this was where this page came from. So I'm just roughly outlining those leaves using a black gel pen. It isn't a waterproof one, but that didn't matter because I knew I wasn't going to use any more wet materials on this page, so it was okay. So then using a really thick Posca pen, let me just find out what size it is for you. It is a PC5M, it's like a bullet tip. I'm just writing my words across the middle in like an arc over those metallic leaves that I added, and then giving it a quick dry because I'm quite likely to smudge it. Then using the Signo Uniball in white, I'm just doing some sketchy lines around those circles and adding some mark making. My pages, I often feel now that they're not complete unless I've done some dots on them somewhere. I have no idea why. I think it is just something that I like to do. I often don't even realise I'm doing it. So once that was done, I'm just using one of the new gloss sprays called Syrup to just do some splatters. And there we are, there's the finished page. So quite a simple page, but quite a cool effect. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.